Aaron Patterson.
Oh, my first?
Yeah. Alphabetical.
Okay.
You have 2 A's. I had the good fortune of working with Aaron Patterson twice. Once in Seattle, once here in LA with Kobe. Who here knows Aaron Patterson or Tinder Love on the internet? All right, we're in good company then. So I invited him to. I want to retell one of your jokes. He thought the first one was Farmville Conf, so he came here to talk about his digital farming that he had done, and then he was let down, and then he told embarrassing stories about me. So 2.5 years later, he's going to tell some more stories for 5 minutes. And go.
Hello, I'm not going to introduce myself. Thank you, Shane. So I'm really excited to be here. Okay, got my notes up and make sure I'm within the 5 minutes. I'm really excited to be here, but I haven't heard anything about farmhouses yet. I thought this was a conference about farmhouses, but it is not. Also, I really didn't know that a farmhouse conf would be so intense.
Oh!
Yes! I was trying to think about puns about avocados, but I thought I should be more pithy. 5 minutes of this, people! So I'm happy to be around, like walking around in LA, and I think it's pretty awesome. I see a lot of signs that are in Spanish, like La Dot and La PD. So I think that's pretty cool. That's in Spanish. It means the dot and the PD. For those of you that don't speak Spanish. So I was at a conference, Cascadia, that Shane here helped put on a few years back. And there they served out they had a lot of candy, and everybody had candy, and it was really cool, except that all the ladles there were all right-handed ladles. So, like, I'm left-handed. That's why I'm using my left hand. This is actually a useless appendage over here. So the problem is they were all right-handed ladles. They had like a little spout on the wrong side. So if I tried to use it, it was impossible to use. So, like, Shane was super kind. He wanted to be, like, very inclusive at the conference, so he replaced all the ladles with ambi-ladles, and I thought that was really awesome. I gave a lightning talk about ladles at this conference, so I was really happy that he stood up for the rights of lefts. 5 minutes. Anyway, so also, like, Shane, I know Shane has a company where he, like, sells t-shirts. I guess he's starting another company doing book publishing. And so I just wanted to let you guys know that now you have a friend in the publishing business, the Shane Company. Yes! How much time do I have left? Two minutes? I think 2 minutes, right? Okay. So I got two more stories here. These ones aren't really puns, just stories that, I guess the theme is collapse, so I'm just going to talk about stories where I screwed something up pretty badly. So I'm going to tell you guys about how I learned jQuery, which is a JavaScript framework. I learned jQuery via Facebook. I was using Facebook, and I was like, I need to learn jQuery, so I opened up the console, the Chrome inspector, to use jQuery, or use it on their website. And I'm like, okay, can I select all the links? So I did that, and I selected all the links, and that was cool. I'm like, sweet. I had sort of a, Neo moment. I know jQuery. Selected all the links. So I'm like, can I select all the like buttons? I selected all the like buttons. I'm like, can I click all the like buttons? So I clicked all the like buttons. I'm like, yes. So anyway, I'm like, okay, I know jQuery, I got this down. So I go write my application. And then, like, a little while later, I check my email, and a friend of mine emailed me and was like, Aaron, why did you like the post about Stacy's cat dying? And I was like, well, you see, I was learning jQuery. So Yeah, so I I had to send a very awkward email, like apologizing for liking the story about her cat dying, and like I was just learning jQuery. Yeah, sure. What's jQuery? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, so there's that one. And then the other story I want to tell, I'll do this in 1 minute, is the time I went to the bathroom in the wrong bathroom, which I can't do here. It's very nice. These bathrooms, you can't use the wrong one. It's all ambi bath. Is that a thing? Ambi bathrooms? I don't know. Anyway, so I was at Rails Conf and I had to give a talk in front of like 1,500 people, literally 1,500 people, and I get super nervous before I give talks. And one of the things I do before I speak is I go to the bathroom, because you don't want to be on stage and have to go to the bathroom, right? It's going to be super embarrassing. So I'm thinking, I'm insanely nervous. I walk to the bathroom thinking about what I'm saying. I see a huge line of stalls and nobody is in there. And I'm like, yes, perfect. I need a stall. Go in, like, accomplish my business, think about my talk, accomplish my business, go out. And I see the janitor working and it's a woman and I'm like, well, that's okay. I'm totally comfortable with myself. It's fine that there is a female janitor in here. I don't mind. Okay. And then I look over and see somebody washing her hands. And I'm like, oh, shit. And the janitor's like, get out of here. And I'm like, do I wash my hands? What do I do? I ran out, and then run to the men's bathroom and use that. And I was insanely embarrassed. It was super embarrassing. But then the first thing I did was, in front of 1,500 people, I told them exactly this story. And that actually worked out pretty well. So, okay, that's my 5 minutes. Thank you.